Hey you guys, welcome back. I just wanted to come quickly with an update on my hair. So obviously I dyed it and I love the color that I got. I used the Dark and Lovely in Honey Blonde. Didn't really get the color I was going for. Waited a few months and then I tried the Clairol Textures and Tones, also in Honey Blonde, and I was able to get the color I was going for. I don't know if Clairol is necessarily better, but obviously when I did the Clairol, I had already kind of lightened my hair with this, and so it didn't have to work as hard to get it to this color. So I guess I would recommend Clairol, but then again, it was working off of lighter hair, so I don't know. The Dark and Lovely and the Clairol, neither one of them made my hair feel like excessively dry afterwards, so I was happy with that because damage was one thing I was worried about. I did get some shedding of my locks after both of them. Like after I colored with this, I got a little bit of shedding, and after I colored with the Clairol, I got a little bit. This last time, the shedding only lasts me like a couple of weeks after I colored. So when I was getting the shedding, I just went ahead and took some scissors and just kind of like trimmed the ends, especially the locks that had thinner ends, because I just felt like those were gonna obviously be the most damaged. So I trimmed that, and since then it's been fine. Like I'll get a little bit here and there, but nothing too crazy. So that's the color. And then as far as maturity, in the top, I still have some, like just a few that still have that braided pattern, but for the most part, most of my locks are pretty much matured. They look pretty good. Like ignore these, hide that one too. They look pretty good. My loctician has also combined several locks. Just because I had some that were like deathly thin, and so she combined them at the roots, and they have slowly kind of locked together at the ends. Sometimes I have to like twist them at the ends, but overall my hair is looking great. It has shrunken a lot since, I don't know, my last video I think I had my hair in a bun, but like the video where I was counting my locks, I feel like that's the video where my hair kind of looked the longest, but my hair also very much so looked like braids in that video. And so yeah, my hair now seems a lot shorter than it did then, but it's thicker, they're more mature, and so now hopefully as it grows out, it'll be just that. It'll just be growing and it won't be having a lot of shrinkage. Like I'm trying to stay patient and positive, and I'm ready to see some length, but it's cool. What else? I haven't been having too many issues with the loose follicle bulb or the like white dots that show up. That was really driving me crazy at one point, but that's no longer an issue. So if you're dealing with that and you're early in your journey, just keep holding out hope. Don't really try to do much to get them to go away, because none of them are really long-term fixes. So just kind of hold out and they'll go away soon. And I still will have some, but even like at my roots, like you can barely see them. It used to look like I shook salt on my head and they were just everywhere. But like you can barely see them now, which is awesome. What else? Yeah. I think that's it regarding my locks. I don't do as much to them. I don't do as many braid outs and stuff. I kind of just let them be. That's it, really. I don't know. I think that's all I got, guys. I got engaged recently. Voila, ignore the ashiness of my knuckles and the fact that only one hand is painted. I will work on that, getting the other hand painted. That's all I got though. Hope all of you all's lock journeys are going well. Hope your lives are going well. Stay blessed. I will be back whenever I'm back. Let me know if you guys want a video of me detailing how I did my locks. I know some people wanted a passion twist video, and the next time I do passion twist, I'll definitely record it. I just haven't had the time to sit down and do them. So yeah, I haven't forgotten. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye.